What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Wechi, and today's video I'm gonna share with you guys how to do dropshipping properly on Amazon so your account doesn't get suspended. So before I go ahead and do this video, I'm gonna share with you guys a link where you can find all your product if you just started selling on Amazon, where you can find all those products. I put it on my Amazon storefront, so all the product you need, printer, ink, whatever, all the product you need if you just start selling on Amazon. Even though if you are an experienced seller and you need some product, I'm gonna share with you guys those products, and you guys can go ahead on my link and buy it, so I get a little commission from it. So that's it. So another thing I wanted to tell you guys before I jump to the video, it's like, I know a lot of you guys been asking me how to do Amazon wholesale, and you guys even went and emailed me on how to do Amazon wholesale. So don't get discouraged. I'm coming with this video soon, okay? It's probably this week or next week, so we'll see. But this video gonna be like into the dropshipping playlist, everything you need to know about dropshipping. So let's get right into this video. I'm gonna jump to the computer so we can go ahead and read the Amazon dropshipping policy, so you guys can have a better understanding and explain it to you guys what can you do and what can't you do, so you don't get suspended. All right, guys, I'm gonna jump right into the computer, going to Amazon Seller Essential. I'm gonna open an account. So they have a video regarding dropshipping overview, so we're gonna watch the video together, and after that we're gonna go into the policy. It's basically the same thing that's the video this said. It's a bit the same thing regarding, like, even though if you go and read the policy. So let's go and let's play the video.
Welcome to our overview of dropshipping. At the end of this video, you'll understand what dropshipping is and know when it's okay to do it. We'll also explore the consequences of dropshipping incorrectly. Dropshipping is when a third party fulfills customer orders on your behalf. It's only acceptable when it's clear to the customer that you're the seller of record. If you intend to fulfill orders using a drop shipper, you must have an agreement with your supplier that they'll identify you as the seller on all packing slips, invoices, external packaging, and other information provided in connection with the products. Remove any packing slips, invoices, external packaging, or other information identifying a third-party drop shipper. Be responsible for accepting and processing customer returns, and comply with all other terms of your seller agreement and applicable Amazon policies. Anytime a customer sees packaging, invoices, or receipts identifying a seller that isn't either you or Amazon, it creates confusion about how their order is being fulfilled and whom they should contact with any problems or questions. If you violate our dropshipping policy, your seller-fulfilled orders may be deactivated and your listings may be removed. During this time, you may still accept fulfilled by Amazon or FBA orders.
Alright, guys, before we finish the video, that's what I don't understand. That's why I said Amazon is becoming so strict. If that's your first violation regarding Amazon dropshipping, they shouldn't deactivate your FBA orders, which is a fulfillment by Amazon. They should only deactivate it order you fulfill by yourself. So my account was deactivated even for both. They was deactivated for fulfillment by Amazon and fulfillment by seller. That's how strict they become because of this fraudulent people on Afghanistan doing all those fraud on Amazon, all those scam on Amazon. So let's finish watching the video.
Multiple dropshipping violations will result in a restriction of your abilities to list offers in the Amazon store. To reactivate your offers, you must provide a plan of action that explains the root causes of the policy violations, the actions you've taken to comply with Amazon's dropshipping policy, and the steps you've taken to prevent future violations. We're here to help.
So as you guys can see, it's if you violated like the dropshipping policy multiple times, that's when your account should be deactivated, and that's when you should create a plan of action, which I don't understand, because my account was only deactivated one time for dropshipping, and that's the first time my account was deactivated. After we finish with this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my account health. So why, like, there's so many reasons why I still don't understand why they deactivate my account. Due to their policy, they should like restrict me from fulfill orders by me, and orders by Amazon should still be active.
Submit this information by following the instructions in the banner on the top of your account health page. Or if you believe there's been an error in receiving a policy violation, submit an appeal on this page too. During the appeal process, we'll often ask for more information to reactivate your offers. If we don't receive this information, your offers will remain inactive. This concludes our overview of dropshipping. Thank you and
alright guys, that's basically it. That's all you need to know in order to do dropshipping the right way so your account doesn't get suspended. So if you're doing dropshipping from another seller, make sure you tell the seller to put your name or your business name and the customer address. Well, send them like a little slip or invoice. If they want to return it, they have to return it to this address. Or if you're using a manufacturer, make sure you tell the manufacturer they have to register you that you the owner of this product. Anything happen, they should handle your return, or you should handle your return, so there is any confusion on the customer's hand. So that's it, so you don't violate the Amazon dropshipping. So there is nothing else you can do other than respect and follow the Amazon rules so you don't get deactivated, because you don't want to get deactivated for Amazon dropshipping policy or code of conduct. I'm telling you guys, I wish somebody told me so I wouldn't get suspended for it, even though it was something that's happened like years ago. Like, I don't care. I wish it didn't happen. I don't have to lose some stuff right now, because now I'm losing a lot of money. But at the same time, you know, like me, I always see things on a positive way. Anytime something happened to me, I always see in a positive way. This happened to me, I'd be like, maybe that's a God sign that's telling me you need to start selling your own thing. You need to start your own business. I mean, not your own business, you need to start your own website, because you know Amazon charge you a lot of fees. If you start your website, you only have to pay like a monthly fees, and those websites don't charge you. So I'm gonna focus on working on my website. It's almost done. When it's ready, I'll let you guys know if you guys wanna buy something, or if you guys wanna take a look. When it's ready, I'll post it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any question. And if your Amazon account was deactivated due to dropshipping and code of conduct in 2022 and 2023, if your account get reinstated, please guys let me know down below what you did and everything, so I'll be grateful. So other than that, I'll see you guys on my next video.